Hello everyone, welcome back to my Chinese writing class. This is teacher Anna, and today we're going to learn some new characters. So they're very common used. So it's from chapter 5. Number 1 is 水. 水 means water. You can see the two parts looks like drips of water. And number 2 is 火, fire. So it's like a fire sticks on fire. So 火. And number 3 is 口, mouth. So it's just a square. 口. So let's start. Number 1 is 水. So holding a brush, you should hold like this. 水 水 water. 火 1 2 3 4 火 fire. 火 and next one is 口. So 1 2 3 口 口. So let's review first one. 水 water. 水 Second one. 火 fire. 火 And third one. 口 mouth. 口 Okay, that's all for today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.